When using Power BI in the web browser, Microsoft provide a variety of ways to improve your knowledge and to inspire your use of Power BI. Within the Learn heading on the left of the screen, the first option that we come to is described as Learn. Within here, we find a huge series of step-by-step guides that can be a good way of improving our knowledge. Next door to that in the interface, we also find a heading called Documentation. This can be an interesting way of finding out about specific functionality within Power BI. We also find a huge community with a large number of members. Looking here at how many posts there's been, for example, about the Power BI desktop. My favourite area is something called Data Stories. Within here, these are Power BI reports that have been submitted by real Power BI users around the world. Most of the reports that you build within an organisation will not be appropriate to share in this way because of the sensitivity of the data. Having said that, I love the idea that we can go in and see exactly what other people have been building around the world. It can give us inspiration. Also, it can allow us to go and give these people feedback, either to let them know how they could improve their reports or just to show them our appreciation. When accessing Power BI in the web browser, there's a variety of ways that we can improve our knowledge. We can read through the latest Microsoft documentation. We can view and post on the Microsoft Power BI forums. We can also navigate through the Data Stories gallery, discovering what other Power BI users have used Power BI to create. This video is part of a series called Your Know-How. Watch other videos in the series to learn more about Microsoft 365.